everyone, thank you so much for joining me for today's episode of Crafting with Class. Today I have some fun back to school bookmarks to share with you and I hope you enjoy. Hello everyone, I know it's been a while, but school getting started and all that, of course, that takes all my time and energy, and so I haven't had much crafty time, but this was a Labor Day weekend, so I did have a minute to go ahead and do some crafty things. And I recently picked up some of the Lawn Fawn Release, and of course I had to get all the book stuff because I am an avid reader and teacher, so had to get this. I think it was required. Anyway, I did pick up the little Woodland library. Oh my gosh, how cute, with all the little critters reading. I also picked up the little add-on that has all the different titles that you can add to it. And I picked up the Stitch bookmark, so I'll show you what I did with these today. I picked up the book collection dies. I am not using it today, but I did pick it up, as well as the Sunny Sunflower and then the little border. So those are the little things I picked up from Lawn Fawn. But today I'm going to show you how I made some really easy, really fun, super cute stitched bookmarks for my elementary teacher friends. So let me show you those. Okay, here are the bookmarks that I've made. So this one is, I used the Lawn Fawn Woodgrain cardstock in light brown. So this cardstock has that wood grain, so I used it to give it that wood shelf look. And I did use the insert to create the little shelves, and so I did make a tassel. And if you want to know how to make the tassels, I have a tutorial and I'll link that at the end of the video. So I just colored all the images and I just Copic colored them and used pretty much everything that came in that little set here. So I used the books, the little lamp, the little plant, and so so much fun. So there's this one, and I did put the teacher's name on the back with "You are literally the best." So then there's this one. So this one's more primary colors, but same thing. So there's that. And then I made some with the white wood grain. So this is the same one, but it's the white wood grain to give it that white wood look. So there's this one, and I just thought it was so cute. I don't know, which one do you think was better, the brown or the white? I think they're both cute. I like them both. So there's that one, and oh my gosh, look at how cute these are, and they're so cute. Okay, because I was having so much fun making these. I got some scraps and just made 3 more. So these I'm going to give to my students. I don't really see this generation of kids really reading for leisure as much as I have in past years. So when I see a student reading for leisure, it just makes me happy. So I'm going to offer them up and see if, they would like a little bookmark for their books. And so, like I said, I just used some scrap, pretty much pattern paper, cardstock, and so I just put die cut read on there. I ink blended that one, and this one I used little extra books and wrote the read in Spanish. So that was pretty much it. And to go along with the teacher cards for my teacher friends, I made these little teacher pencil cards, and they're all the same. They are blank on the inside. I'm going to write my sentiment, but for these little cards I used the Trinity Stamps Pencil Slimline die set. So I'm not sure if I've used this one already. I might have, I just don't remember. But anyway, that's what I used for my little pencil cards. And then for the teacher, this is a die from Sugarpea Designs. So it's super cute. I like how that little A, the little apple replaces the A. So I thought that was really cute. So anywho, that is it for me right now. I hope you enjoyed my little share for today. Hopefully I'll be able to have a little bit of time back in my craft room because it's been really busy and I have really missed it. So Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. And if you're interested in those tassels and more bookmarks a la Lawn Fawn, I will post it right here. Bye.